Hello kids, it's Mr. Ryan. Today we're going to go over bike repair. We're going to teach you how to take a tire using a patch kit. It comes with sandpaper, glue, and obviously the patch. It's small, I don't need a very big one. But one thing you need to do is you can use soap and water. The soap helps with the bubbles. So you're going to submerge your tube in water. You want to make sure it has at least a little bit of air in it. And you'll see how the bubbles come up. So then once you find it, right, your hole, you're going to dry it off. Dry the area really well. Then you're going to take the sandpaper over it. That helps the adhesive, the glue, and the patch stick. Like I said, it's got to be dry. Okay. Bam, 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 just like that. Doesn't take too long. Then you just take your glue, you spread it. You don't need too much, just enough to cover the patch. Okay, so glue-wise, this is all you need. Okay. You see, it's not that much. Okay, and then you're just going to take the patch and you glue it on there. And it's usually like super glue, so and bam. And also the thing I use is this. No big deal. Like I said, it's all cheap. I didn't spend a lot of money. I think it's $3 for the patch kit, and it comes with instructions. Yeah, I mean, it's really simple. I couldn't ask for an easier job. I hope if you guys need any more help, you guys can tag us, like us on Facebook, whatever.